I make $159,000 a month from selling literally just one website. So I'll refresh my Stripe in a second, but first I want to show you what do I actually mean with one website. So obviously I'm not just selling one single website to one person. I'm selling the same thing to a bunch of people basically, right? So right here, this is the website for a pool maintenance company, air conditioning, remodeling, cleaning, roofing, and so on and so on, right? So it's literally the exact same thing, just slightly different. It takes like 2 hours to build that or whatever. So it's very, very straightforward. And we've done this for $297 a month for maybe a little bit under 2 years or so right now. And currently, as you can see, we're doing $159,000 a month. So here's the Stripe refresh. So, I'm not just lying to you guys. So as you can see right here, boom, 159 a month. Everything's the same. And yeah, so we're Stone Systems. That's basically what we do. And let me explain how it actually works, right? So the thing that we're basically trying to do is give contractors foundational systems. So what do I mean by that? Okay. Like, well, why are they paying us $297? Like, the only thing they give a fuck about is basically how is it going to make me more money? Like, if this was a one pager, this is like 20 to 25 pages. If this was one page, but it made them a lot of money, they would love it. Right. So that's the only thing they care about. How does it make me now? Basically, what we're going to give them and how it makes them more money is number one, a website so they can, actually get leads from it, basically, right? Number two, missed call text back. So someone calls this guy right here, he doesn't pick up. Okay, cool, boom. We immediately follow up via text message because we can see that the call got missed, right? So just that, just someone calling them and basically not picking up, and then we follow up and that guy ends up closing, will be worth way more than $297 a month. And at the end of the day, we're not doing like $5,000 a month for ads and we're gonna, change your life and stuff. Like as long as they make more money than they spend with you, you're basically good and gonna stay for a very, very long time. And that's what we've seen as well, right? So there's this called text back. Google reviews, super, super important. So we basically just have a system right here on the bottom, right, that shows the reviews and that just makes it really, really easy so that people can only get good reviews, for example, right? So like 1, 2, 3 goes away, 4, 5 goes to Google, actually like allows you to leave a review, makes it really easy. And we keep reminding people to basically do so, right? So that way they don't even have to think. That instant lead follow up, this is just, okay, cool. Anyone comes in from the website, immediately we go on it, right? And then remarketing to past customers is obviously just us taking their past customer list and then just sending out like a text message or so forth, being like, hey, Bob, I know it's been like a few months or whatever. Do you want to spend some more money with us? Here's a 5% discount, pretty much. So you can see that for just $297 a month, there's like a ton of opportunities for people to get some more business from this. And if they just get one lead or one job from this, it's going to cover like the year, basically. So it's an absolute no-brainer for people. And it's really, really easy to sell, especially if you're only just getting started in this game. Because what everyone's trying to preach is like, oh, guys, start selling Facebook ads and, 3K a month minimum, or it's not going to be worth your time. No, you're going to lose those clients. It's going to be super difficult to sell. You're in your mom's basement right now. People will buy this from someone in their mom's basement. All right. I don't want my ads guy to live in their mom's basement. So it's different. This is much, much easier, basically. And if you are in a position where you're like, yeah, but I really want to, do that. Like, I think I should do Facebook ads and stuff. Start with this. Just start with this because this is so much easier and it just hooks them in because this is what can keep a client for a long, long time. And then guess what, guys? It doesn't mean because you've sold them on the $297 a month that you can't sell them on something else as well. So that's what we're trying to do is implement their foundational systems, right? Which is literally what 99% of our customers are on, by the way, right? And then right here, after they trust you, we're going to do upsells. So local SEO, organic SEO, Google local service ads, anything preferably for like the way that I see it is that can be like fully automated or is super, 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 super simple to fulfill. So definitely not Facebook ads if that's what you were thinking. If you really want to do it, be my guest, but I would absolutely against it. And here you can sell each one of these things for like $1,000 each. Super easy to fulfill on, gets them a ton of results. They already know, like, and trust you, so it's not difficult to sell this anymore. And this just makes way, way, way more sense. Like, we are actually, like, that's what I'm saying. Like, if you look at my Stripe again, like, we're at $160,000 a month or whatever. Literally, maybe fourth, like, let's say, like, call it 4 grand or so is coming from this. So we are just on the corner, like, crossing the corner basically to start doing this really, really heavily. So yeah, just to show you guys basically. So yeah, once again, super system, super straightforward, right? Everything comes from literally just one simple foundational system. By the way, we use Go High Level for this. I also, have an upgrade link or whatever, or a trial link that you guys can use, and then you get all the stuff that I just showed you for free, a course, a community, blah 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 blah, and a 30-day free trial. So it's way better than this shitty thing. So if you want that, links in the description. But yeah, shameless plug. Let's see. So yeah, this is like literally it. Like it's super straightforward. People can use it. It's very easy to build. It takes like literally 2 hours to do. And you don't even have to do this yourself. Like in the start, I did it myself because I wanted to understand it, but my business partner literally still to this day does not know how to make a website. So you can just get someone off a Fiverr, right? Pay him like $40 to do this, or just get a VA that works like project based. So it'll cost you like $20-$30 literally to create one of these. And now you don't even have to do it yourself. Like this is not that difficult, guys. Like even you might think it's difficult and you don't know what to do. If you have literally no clue what to do, you can literally just pay someone else after you've signed on a client to do this stuff for you. And it's so easy to do, so easy to find people to do this for. And if you wanted to do it yourself, and you're like, in my community or whatever, there's a little course for it, right? It's super straightforward. So yeah, that is pretty much that. So yeah, this is the way, guys. Start selling out. $297 a month. Keep it easy. Keep it simple. Get a lot of these people, and then when you get to the point where you want to make a little bit more money, or you want to, sell services that are a little bit more high ticket, you do it after you've already got them on the 297. It's gonna work better, right? It's gonna work better. It's gonna be easier to sell, and you're gonna keep those people for longer as well, which is gonna make you much more money in the end. So yeah. If you want to see how you can actually get leads and so forth, just watch the video that I'm gonna, drop at the end here. And yeah, if you want, join my stuff. Links in the description. It'll get you a bunch of cool free things. So there you go. See you.